A common question from new drummers is, do I have to read drums to become good? And my answer is, certainly not, but being able to read drums will make you better. What is up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. If you're self-taught or have just started learning drums and haven't gotten to the reading part yet, this might feel a bit scary or bordering on discouraging. But if you want to start your sight reading journey, you can watch my entire playlist on music theory for drummers right up here, and then when you're more confident, come back to this video. With that said, if you're ready to take your sight reading to the next level, you're watching the right video. This drum lesson is perfect for you who is comfortable with basic sight reading, but wants a new challenge to evolve your drumming and your confidence about sight reading. In this video, you can play along with me as I'm showing 16 various drum grooves at 80 BPM and then at 100 BPM. I'm gonna play every groove for 8 bars each, and then in between every groove, you'll get a 2-bar count-off to get ready for the next groove. All grooves are played with an 8th note subdivision on the hi-hat, but the kick drum and snare drum pattern change with every groove. So stay ready and focus on each groove. If you're playing along with me and you mess up, don't worry about it. Just try to power through and go along with the rest of the lesson. If you're practicing by yourself, make sure to practice with a metronome at a fairly slow tempo, and then when you arrive at a groove that you might be struggling with, stay with that groove for a bit longer until you get it down. Alright, get your drumsticks everyone. I'll see you on the other side. Now comes the real challenge. When you're confident enough with all these grooves, play them for 4 bars each without a break. So you play 4 bars of the first groove and then immediately go to the next groove and then the next groove and so on. This will really help with your sight reading skills while simultaneously work on your kick and snare patterns. Okay, you guys, let's try it out. Well done, my friends. If you work on this, you will without a doubt notice a huge progress with your sight reading. I loved practicing stuff like this with my drum teachers when I was younger, so if you want, I'll definitely consider making more videos like this. If you enjoyed this drum lesson, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. Now, if you further want to take your grooves from amateur to advanced, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.